Okay, so today I'm just going to walk you through the basic setups that I use for some coding and stuff on Linux. So first of all, the system is actually an older CPU. It's a 3900X. It's running a 3060 Ti graphics card, so it's not really top of the line by any stretch. It's not bad, it does everything that I need to do. So this is in Blender here. As you can see, it's kind of rendering in the viewport quite well. No issues there. Of course it handles the basic tasks like coding and word processing with LibreOffice and other basic things like online apps like Figma and stuff like that work just fine. So this is running Linux, Ubuntu, I forget the version, but let's find out. What have we got? Ubuntu 20.4 long-term support. So that's the OS. And as you can see over here on the left, it's a left-mounted side taskbar. Apps, I've got Unity running on here, I've got Blender running on here, and it's all going well. So anyway, that's the brief rundown. I've got specific tasks that I prefer to do on Linux, and others that I'll head over onto Windows. It's running on the same system at the moment. I've got dual setups on each system, desktop and laptop. And I use Windows more for, well, I'll show you when I head over to that system next time. In the meantime, though, take it easy. Oh, the other thing is that I've had requests to update the profile picture. As you know, I'm not really into selfies and the whole look at me, that type thing. That's just not who I am. Never been that way, and I don't plan on changing that, but I do need to update it because it's been a couple of years, and although I've said that I'm pretty much the same, I've lied a little bit. I was in that last photo, I was about 85, 90 kilo. I'm at least triple that now. I don't know, all that mashed potato in buckets. In terms of, height, of course, I've lost a couple of feet because, all that extra belly girthage has to, be balanced out somehow. So I've had to, I've been shortened a couple of feet, so I'm down around the 4'1", 4'2". And the eyes, oh no, they're not hazel anymore. They're white from all the mayonnaise I keep slopping all over myself. It's just ridiculous amount of mayonnaise and mashed potato at the moment. Take it easy. All the best.